Hello everyone, welcome to HE Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about the differences between tiles, granite and marble flooring. Before starting the video, I would like to request you to please like this video, share it with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, without getting any further delay, let's start our video. First, we can talk about manufacture. Tiles are man-made material which are being manufactured with clay, whereas granite is a material which is being cut from the hard rock while manufacturing, and it is dark in color. And whereas marble is manufactured with natural stone, but mostly with limestone, so it will be in lighter color. And the next point is aesthetical view. Tiles will give artificial look, though nowadays we are getting marble and granite patterns in tiles, but still if you look in closer view, then you will find out that tiles will give artificial look, though granite is natural look, natural material like marble, but still it will give hard finish look. And next is marble will give royal look. And the next point is about sizes. We can get tiles in uniform or standard sizes such as 300 by 300, 600 by 600, or 300 mm by 450 mm, etc. Whereas granite sizes available in market is 8 by 4 or 7 by 4 in sizes. That is, since the granite used to be sliced down, it will be not in uniform sizes as like tiles. And the granite thickness will be around it will be from 16 mm to 25 mm thick. And for marble also it is same. That is 8 by 4 or 7 by 4 is market available size, and or we can get in at our required sizes, since it is also used to slice down from natural rocks. And granite thick, and these are the thickness of marble is also same like granite, that is 16 mm to 25 mm. Next we can talk about availability. Tiles are available with wide range of colors with different patterns and in standard sizes, whereas granite have very less choices, colors and patterns, and also we can cut into our requirement sizes as our wish. And marble have advantages of more patterns and features compared to granite. And granite, like granite, marble too can cut into our requirement sizes. And the next point is about strength. Tiles flooring strength is based on tiles laying technique. If the tile layer is not laying the tiles properly, surely it will get crack in the future. So it is very important to select the skilled labor for tiles laying. And the next point is for granite. Granite have naturally more compressive strength when compared to the tiles and the marbles, whereas for marble have good strength compared to the tiles, but less in strength compared to the granite. Next point is about usage. We can use tiles for both interior and exterior purpose, but we have to make sure that to use exterior tiles for exterior portion to withstand the atmospheric condition. Even it can be used for toilet or any other wet surfaces. And tiles cannot be used for kitchen counter, as tile thickness is lesser compared to the granite and marble. Or because we cannot give grinding or molding at the edge portion of the counter surfaces. And about granite can be used for all places, interior, exterior, or staircase, kitchen counter, etc. Because it is high compressive, because it have high compressive strength compared to the tiles and marbles. We can use it anywhere. And next is marble also can be used like tiles, but marble can be used in staircase also, apart from the interior or exterior surfaces. Marble can be avoided in exterior portion due to its high in prices. Also it develops scratches on high usage places. And the next point is about installation. Tiles can be installed and the area can be used in 48 hours, and no polish required as like marble or granite. And next for granite installation is more or less equal time to the tiles laying, but partial polish needed to be done before usage. And for marble also same like granite in fixing, but skilled labors are required to lay the tiles, marble, and also polish. Before usage we have to do polishing work completely. And the next point is about maintenance. Tiles once fixed with proper packing and leveling, then we do not need to worry for a longer time. Normal mopping can be done over tiles for general cleaning purpose. And the main point is it is easy to rectify and as well as to replace the broken tiles. And for granite maintenance is very easy compared to the marble, but it needs to be repolished after few years to retain the shininess. And for marble is a porous material, so it will absorb the stain, and the polishing must be after few years of laying to be retain the shine, and we need to maintain marble carefully. And the next point is about cost. Tiles laying cost along with the material will cost ranges from 95 rupees to 160 rupees based on the selection of the material by the client. And granite cost will be higher than tiles, that is it ranges from 150 rupees to 350 rupees per square feet along with the material. And for marble also the cost of installation is high compared to the tiles and the granite, and it ranges from 170 rupees to 350 rupees for laying with material for Indian type of marble. And if it is imported or Italian marble, then it will be cost much more higher than the normal marbles. And the next point is about usage. Tiles is suitable for residential and public places, whereas granite is suitable for highly traffic area building like school building, college building, or any commercial building, etc. And whereas marble is it is better to avoid marble in high traffic area like school, colleges, etc. But it can be used where public do not wear footwear or slippers, like religious places. We can use marble for interior or exterior purpose. After comparing so many points between tiles, granite and marble, I believe you have come to conclusion. Hope you like my simple video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family members, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to take any topic regarding construction, please mention it in comment box below. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.